On February 15, 2026, something important begins. Not a hype-driven token launch, not another rushed blockchain release, but a calculated, deliberate step toward building what its creators call a financial operating system for the next 25 years. The BTCD Foundation has officially announced the start of its public testnet minting phase, the first milestone in a carefully structured rollout that leads to Mainnet Activation on May 15, 2026, and a complete 9-platform ecosystem deployment by October 2026. In an industry often criticized for move fast and break things, this approach feels different. Instead of launching everything at once, the Foundation is beginning with a 3-month global stress test. Starting February 15, participants around the world can access the official platform and mint BTCD testnet tokens in a live blockchain environment. This is not a simulation. It's real infrastructure running in a controlled test network where transactions occur without financial risk. Why does that matter? Because financial infrastructure is different from consumer apps. When billions of dollars and potentially billions of people are involved, precision matters more than speed. According to the Foundation, the Layer 1 blockchain is already complete and has passed internal audits. But internal testing is never enough. Real-world conditions, varying internet speeds, different devices, geographic distribution, expose weaknesses no lab can predict. The 3-month testnet phase is designed to do exactly that. Engineers will monitor transaction throughput, network stability, and latency under live global conditions. Community members will identify user experience friction points, and economic data gathered during this phase will help optimize the mechanics behind what is described as a 25-year minting program. Testnet tokens will hold no monetary value. However, early participants may receive recognition when the system transitions to Mainnet, a subtle incentive that acknowledges the importance of early contributors in decentralized ecosystems. Then comes May 15, 2026. If testing proceeds as planned, that date marks the official activation of the BTCD mainnet. This is when tokens gain real value and the 25-year minting schedule formally begins. Technically, the blockchain introduces a hybrid DAG-POS architecture, designed to deliver sub-second finality and throughput exceeding 10,000 transactions per second with extremely low transaction fees. More significantly, the system incorporates what it calls a consensus proof of movement mechanism. Rather than rewarding users purely for holding large amounts of capital, this model is designed to reward network participation. It's positioned as a response to one of blockchain's most persistent criticisms, the concentration of rewards among early adopters and large holders. But the blockchain itself is only the foundation. The broader vision is a 9-platform financial operating system built around this core infrastructure. And instead of launching all 9 platforms simultaneously, the Foundation has outlined a phased ecosystem rollout. In mid-May 2026, alongside Mainnet Activation, 3 core platforms will launch. The first is Nexora, a decentralized communication system offering blockchain-verified messaging and voice services. In a financial ecosystem, secure communication is essential. Nexora aims to reduce reliance on centralized intermediaries for coordination and interaction. The second is Guardian DEEX, a decentralized exchange built to enable digital asset trading without intermediary fees. High-performance exchange infrastructure is critical for liquidity. Without it, even advanced blockchains struggle to achieve meaningful adoption. The third is Wealthbook, a financial social networking and expert connection platform. Its purpose is to transform financial participation from an isolated activity into a collaborative ecosystem where users share strategies, insights, and opportunities. Communication, exchange, community. These 3 components form the initial utility layer designed to create immediate engagement once Mainnet goes live. Then, by October 2026, the remaining 6 platforms are scheduled to complete the ecosystem. Vedana will introduce advanced digital asset management tools. Kind Ledger focuses on transparent blockchain-based philanthropy. SmartSwap enables algorithmic instant asset conversion. Life Wallet serves as a unified control center for the ecosystem. AI Marketplace integrates intelligent commerce solutions, and AI Zen Bot introduces automated trading strategies powered by artificial intelligence. Together, these 9 platforms form what the Foundation describes as a hub-and-spoke architecture, specialized systems operating in coordination through a unified interface, supported by cross-chain communication protocols. Why stage everything over several months? Because history has shown that large-scale blockchain launches often encounter critical vulnerabilities when too many components go live simultaneously. A phased deployment allows iteration, refinement, and community adaptation. It also allows users to master each layer before the next one is introduced. Transparency appears to be a central theme in this rollout. The Foundation has published specific dates: February 15 for Testnet, May 15 for Mainnet and initial platforms, October 2026 for full ecosystem completion. In an industry often defined by shifting timelines, committing publicly to delivery windows is a strategic statement. For participants, February 15 represents more than a test environment. It's an opportunity to engage early, explore the architecture, and influence refinement before financial value enters the system. For observers, it represents something else, a case study in whether deliberate, methodical blockchain development can outperform hype-driven speed. The experiment begins with a global invitation to test infrastructure without financial risk. Mainnet activation follows 3 months later, and by October, if execution matches intention, a complete 9-platform financial operating system will be operational. The question now is not whether the launch will happen. The dates are set. The infrastructure is live. The only variable left is participation. Thanks for watching.